Yeah.
What has it been like reuniting with Brian Fuller, working with him on the show?
Reuniting with Brian feels correct, feels right. It feels like hand in glove. Easy, heaven, fun. Um, Working with genius, he's a genius. You don't want to disappoint him. So I get a little nervous about that. And he's like, oh, stop it. Just do you. Just stop it. But I'm happy. Feels right.
And how would you describe your character? Who is Easter, and what's kind of her place in this world of gods?
Yes. So the goddess Ostaria has been around a long time and had a lot of power and was sort of forgotten about. Couldn't stay relevant. And Wednesday has appeared, and she's got her life set up and the way she is, and she's fine with it. She's not necessarily happy to see him because I think it represents maybe a little bit of failure on her part. But once she's given permission to be who she is again, who we get reminded of how great of a god she was, it's really cool. And also, you know, watching her cover up the anger, sharing a date with Jesus. You know, it was her day. He came in and resurrected, but that's all right. She's politically correct. But it's fun to play that kind of part. And that's kind of what I was most focused on when I came in, of playing that aspect of it. And looking at the book, you know, I was nervous. I thought, I don't know if I would have cast me in this. But when Brian explained how he saw it and how he saw her, I thought, oh, I get it.
Speaking of Jesus,
Yay!
yeah, can you talk a little bit about that
Sure.
relationship that she's kind of feeling with? Yeah.
Yeah, I would sort of liken it to when two great actors have a movie coming out the same day. And they just want, not that they don't, there's no harm in friendly competition, but sometimes you want your own day. You know, you want to have your day with your movie or your book or your whatever, and them have theirs. And he's come in on her day. And I think that, you know, how you deal with anger is a real big question in this show. And how you deal with staying relevant is a big question in this show. And for Easter, too, because she doesn't want to offend anyone, because she was once great. But in the finale, she gets an opportunity to show why she was who she was. And that's also fun to play. I don't get to do, as an actress, separately, I don't get to play roles who have a lot of dealings with effects. I just haven't had to do that. This one is really cool for me.
So what are you most excited for fans to see in this season?
I'm excited to see who she has working for her. Let's just say they're shorter than her. I'm excited for her fans to really see the relationship between her and Wednesday. I think there was a time when they were close, and when they probably bounced ideas off of each other, and they were both extremely powerful and popular at the same time. But now, perhaps, two powers coming together is better than one. That's cool.